The Vivid Money account offers a seamless blend of banking convenience and investment opportunities designed to simplify personal finance management. One of its standout features is the multi-currency account capability. With Vivid Money, users can hold, send, and receive money in multiple currencies without incurring hidden fees, making international transactions smooth and cost-effective. This is particularly useful for frequent travelers and remote workers handling payments in different currencies. The account also integrates cashback rewards directly into everyday spending. Users automatically earn cashback on purchases made with their Vivid Money card at partner stores and selected categories. The cashback is credited instantly, giving users immediate visibility of their rewards. This makes everyday spending not just convenient but also rewarding. Another key feature is the automated savings tools. Vivid Money allows users to set up rules that automatically round up transactions to the nearest euro, pound, or dollar and transfer the difference into a dedicated savings or investment account. These tools help develop consistent savings habits without requiring active effort. Users can also create separate pockets within the account for different goals, keeping funds organized and tracked efficiently. Vivid Money also emphasizes investment opportunities. Users can invest in stocks, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies directly from the app. The platform provides intuitive charts, real-time pricing, and fractional investing, allowing users to diversify their portfolio even with smaller amounts. This integration ensures that managing savings and investments happens in a single, accessible environment. Security is a core component, with instant card freezing, biometric login, and two-factor authentication ensuring that accounts are protected at all times. Notifications for every transaction keep users aware of account activity, enhancing financial control and transparency. The app itself is highly intuitive, combining modern design with straightforward navigation. Users can view balances, track spending habits, and analyze monthly expenditures in detail. Integration with other financial tools and external bank accounts adds flexibility, making Vivid Money a central hub for personal finance management. In essence, Vivid Money offers a combination of multi-currency flexibility, rewarding spending, automated savings, investment opportunities, and strong security. It is a modern financial solution tailored to users seeking convenience, control, and growth in managing their money.